Hi everyone, it's Jen again. I am back and I'm going to try another champagne pour today. So here is my painting from yesterday, which is almost dry, not completely. The colours have definitely faded a little bit, but it's still got this nice gradation of colour here. This section's really nice, and because I was using waste paint, it's kind of textured because there are some things in the paint. But anyway, for a kind of throwaway experiment, I'm quite pleased with it, and hopefully I can come up with something that is a bit more intentional and maybe a bit prettier today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe below if you'd like to keep up with my progress. If you'd like to see more of my work, my Instagram is Tokyo Makes. If you have a question or a comment, please just drop it down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Let's see what I make today. Hey, I have set up my paints. I've prepped my canvas with a layer of liquid whites. I've got some thick or thickish gold in here, and this has got a really small nozzle. I think one of the problems yesterday was that maybe I was pouring too fast, pouring the grey colour in too fast, so I'm going to see what happens this time. Today I am using these paints, they're Acrylic. I'm not sure on the pronunciation. They are water-based Alkyd resin colours, and they're by a Japanese company called Kusakabeblue. They're really nice. I've never seen water-based resin colours before. They're not oils, they're not acrylics, they're something else, but they act like acrylics. The colours are really vibrant. They're really highly pigmented. They're very smooth, so the colour dispersal is really good. So you can see that pink, and this is the pink that I've mixed up. It's almost a watery consistency, just slightly thicker, and the gold that I've mixed is much thicker. In here, this has got a lot of glue and pouring medium in it. So I'm using lids from small drinks bottles today because I think shallower cups will help as well. And yeah, I'll turn the camera down and you can see what I'm up to. Okay, this is the painting so far, so it looks quite different. It's changed a lot already. As it settles and dries, I'm sure it will change even more. If anyone knows how to light something so that it doesn't reflect the the halogens and stuff like this one over here, I would be very grateful. But I think you can get the idea anyway, hopefully. So, yep, that's it. Okay, so that's it for this video. You might be able to hear my cat asking for her dinner, so it's time for me to go. I will show you the dried result after a day or two once the milkiness has cleared up. And yeah, it's still changing a lot, so we'll see what happens. But thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe if you'd like to stay up to date. And yeah. Are you okay? Are you hungry? I think it's dinner time. And Samuel, come here, say hello. Is it dinner time? Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Alright, goodbye everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.